Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. Today is a super special video for me because I can finally say I have 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I thought I would get all cute, well, halfway cute for the occasion because, you know, if you guys follow my videos, you guys know that I've been working super hard to hit this first milestone in my YouTube journey, and I'm so thankful for you guys, everyone who has supported me, not only in watching my videos, but supporting me via comment and liking my video and sharing my videos and sending me, emails and DMs. I really appreciate that, for you guys to take time out of your day to tell me that you appreciate what I do, and I really appreciate that. It really touches my heart because I love doing what I do. I love not only making wedding dresses and little girls' dresses, but I love teaching other people who are aspiring to be couture wedding dress designers or regular old dressmakers like myself. And I just really, I'm super happy, y'all. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm super happy. Anyway, so I decided to celebrate the occasion with a giveaway. Now, initially, I was going to do a wedding dress giveaway or a prom dress giveaway of me actually creating a whole dress for you guys and giving that away. But my budget is not allowing that, y'all. Maybe we could save that for 10,000 or something. So I decided instead that I'm going to do a wedding dress sewing pattern giveaway. Not just wedding dress, prom dress, evening gown, flower girl dress, whatever you want to call it. Special occasion dress giveaway, special occasion dress pattern giveaway, to where for my designers, I will be creating whatever design you want, pattern drafting that on a size 6, a standard size 6. That's my standard sample size for my designers. So that's what I will offer to if a designer wins, that's what you would get. If a bride wins who wants to DIY her wedding dress, then I will give her a wedding dress pattern of her desire in her custom measurements. So I hope that makes sense, guys, and I hope that prize is sufficient enough for people to want to enter. I have had a lot of people asking me to purchase patterns for me, so I assume that people would want to enter at a chance to winning one for free. I don't know. I'm doing the math. 1 + 1 = 2, y'all. So I hope that is a good prize because, I would put my blessed sweat and tears and love into making the sewing patterns like I do for making the videos for you guys. So to enter, you, oh, and by the way, this giveaway is exclusive to my subscribers only. To enter, you need to be at least 18 years of age, or you need to have permission from your parents to enter. You need to like this video and then go to my channel and share one of my tutorial videos, not this video, one of my tutorial videos. Then you need to go to my Instagram. I will put the handle here. Go to my Instagram and follow me on Instagram. And then you need to come back here and comment done when you're finished. And also, if you could, while you're at the commenting stage, if you could leave me inspiration, or not inspiration, but leave me what you guys want to see from my channel in the future. So I know I have a lot of wedding dress videos up. I have some prom dress videos coming up for prom season, and I've done a couple of little girls dresses. So let me know what you guys want to see, and I'm always open to suggestions. If you guys want to see any kind of dress for me, you guys can send me an email of the pictures, and I will be happy to do my spin on some of the dresses that you guys send me. Also, I wanted to let my prom girls know, my ladies who are going to prom this year, 2020, or this prom season coming up, 2020, that I am accepting prom commissions this year. I'm super excited, y'all, because I missed prom season last year, and I told y'all I was not missing prom season this year. So I'm getting my samples ready. So I can have samples for you guys to see, and I'll be posting that on Instagram as well as flyers. My prom dresses will probably start at around $500 or $600. I'm not sure. It just depends on the designs that I decide to take on, but around that amount would be it will probably be where it starts at. So if you guys are interested in having me make your prom dress, please don't hesitate to email me down below. Email my business email, amandasbridalcouture. It will be down there in my description box, because I am starting to book girls in September, because I am expecting a really busy prom season. Fingers crossed, y'all. Really busy prom season this year. So don't hesitate to book me. My registration fee for to hold your spot will be $50, which is nothing, y'all. So don't forget to do that. And also for my brides, I am taking select brides for 2019. It just depends on the design of your gown, because I need time to make the dresses. So I still am booking brides for 2019, but I'm focusing my gears on 2020. So you can also email me at the same email for that. My wedding dresses start at $1,000 and they go up from there, just depending on your design. And I do offer payment plans. You can contact me for the information with that. Anyway, this is supposed to be a giveaway video, but I wanted to put that information in here anyway. And I probably will be making a separate video on my wedding dress and my prom dress business later on, after my website is finished being built and I have all of my pictures done. So stay on the lookout for that, guys. So I hope you guys want to enter this giveaway. If you guys missed all the things that you need to do to enter the giveaway, then I will definitely but I'll definitely list it out below in the description box. Thank you guys so much once again for supporting me, for supporting my channel, for supporting my Instagram and my Facebook and everything. You guys are freaking awesome. I love you guys. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Why's your butt wet? Why's your butt wet? Okay, let me finish recording, baby. Thank you.